Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Eyes Person Sophie. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful, outstanding festive collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one, smart, elegant looks based for your festive wear. Premium quality organza silk, soft one with beautiful weaving design, red contrast border, and full base part is beautiful diagonally work, golden zari weaving design, diagonally work, and this one is weaving contrast color, red border, highlighted golden zari lines, and this one full base part, and full base part is texture weaving design, kota pattern texture weaving design, and beautiful stripes design, diagonally stripes. This one is beautiful stripes design, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy golden zari fine weaving design, pallu very elegant, smart looks. Full base part is diagonally work, and this one is beautiful pallu, and this one is border portion contrast bright red shade, maroon red shade border, and this one is full base part based for your elegant looks, festive looks, elegant one. And I will suggest this synthetic material bright one brocade work checks pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, bright color combinations based for your festive Georgette Banarasi, very exclusive smart one, bright look, soft lightweight. This one full base part, this one is border portion contrast color dye border with beautiful silver zari weaving design, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving butta, smart looks. This one is pallu part, contrast color pallu with beautiful weaving design, silver zari weaving design, Banarasi work, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is contrast color border green shade, and this one is full base, bright beautiful gorgeous looks, gorgeous fresh looks, very beautiful color combinations also, silver zari weaving border and butta. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart elegant looks. This one also same material, bright color combinations, maroon shade pallu, green base, a very smart one, Georgette Banarasi, soft lightweight comfortable based for your outstanding festive looks. This one is border portion contrast color border with beautiful fine weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border, and this one full base part, beautiful fine weaving design butta work, Banarasi weaving butta, and this one is pallu part, contrast color with beautiful heavy weaving design pallu, very smart looks. This one full base part, beautiful butta work, very smart trendy one, soft lightweight comfortable smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden brocade base with beautiful contrast color weaving butta design, very exclusive one for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, fresh bright beautiful looks, beautiful color and weaving design also, contrast color border. This one full base part, very nice one, beautiful looks. This one is contrast color border with fine weaving design, Banarasi border, and this one full base part, fine weaving butta design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful fine weaving design, Banarasi pallu, very exclusive one, bright beautiful fresh color combination. This one is full base part, fine weaving butta design, and this one is contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving design, very elegant looks, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material with beautiful golden zari weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart bright looks. very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, very soft, comfortable one, pure natural one with beautiful silk sequin resom stripes design, full base part, very elegant looks, exclusive work. This one full base part and beautiful resom silk sequin stripes design, full base, very elegant looks also. And this one pure resom pallu with oyster sizzle pocket weaving sequin design, oyster sizzle pocket weaving sequin design. And this one is beautiful silk sequin highlighted stripes design. And this one is base is pure resom silk, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, magenta pink shade. This one is full base part is resom stripes design, handloom hand spun matka, full base part is silk sequin stripes. And this one is exclusive pallu, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one also same material, very elegant color combinations, also same pattern, oyster sizzle sequin design, pocket weaving, and full base part is resom stripes, beautiful, smart looks. This one full base part, handloom hand spun matka. This one is beautiful base part and highlighted resom, pure resom silk stripes design, silk sequin stripes. And this one is pallu, pure resom silk pallu with beautiful oyster silk sequin pocket weaving design. And these are beautiful silk sequin button stripes design, highlighted the pallu, and base is pure resom silk. And this one is pure handloom hand spun matka base with beautiful resom stripes with silk sequin design, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks, outstanding also. Very beautiful and exclusive collections, first time in weaving industry, matka with ikat design, very exclusive one. Let me open. Matka base, pure handloom matka base with beautiful ikat design, first time in weaving industry, ikat with matka. This one border portion, golden zari border, highlighted stripes pattern, contrast color highlighted stripes. And this one is full base part, beautiful ikat design, full base, handloom matka base with ikat design, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And this one full base part, very nice one, elegant, smart looks, soft, comfortable, golden zari highlighted border with stripes line. And this one is full base part, beautiful ikat design, smart, elegant, trendy looks. And I will suggest this contrast blouse, brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful hand weaving design. Base is pure resom silk with highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one border portions, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving. This one is golden zari border, half-inch highlighted golden zari border, and full base part is pure resom base with beautiful fine weaving buta design, full base. And this one is border, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, only 250 gram weights, very nice one, exclusive, trendy, smart looks. This one is pure resom and beautiful hand weaving design, very nice one, elegant looks and beautiful color combinations also. This one pallu part, pallu and beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, pom pom pallu in this beautiful colorful pom pom design. And this one is hand weaving jamdani work, pure resom base, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks, and half-inch golden zari highlighted border, very smart one. And I will suggest this checks pattern, beautiful buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. This one also, beautiful one, pure handloom Bangalore silk by Resham with hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari highlighted border, very soft, comfortable one, and full base part is heavy hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari border. This one is golden zari fine border, and this one is full base part. Pure Bangalore silk by Resham with hand weaving work. Very exclusive, elegant looks. Fully hand weaving jamdani design. Full base. Bright, smart, traditional looks. This one is full base part, same heavy work. This one is fine golden zari border, and this one is full base part. Beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand weaving jamdani design. Very beautiful color combinations also. This one is hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is pallu and highlighted stripes with beautiful pom-pom design. Very elegant looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy bright brocade work, colorful contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. Very soft, comfortable one, summer friendly also, 350 gram only weight. This one also, same material, pure Resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. Very exclusive one, pure Resham one with hand weaving work. This one is full base part, beautiful jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani work. Very exclusive one. Base is pure Resham silk with buta weaving design. Soft, lightweight, transparent, fine Resham silk with beautiful hand weaving border design. This one is full base part. Very elegant, trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful, gorgeous looks. Fully hand weaving design. This one is beautiful work. Very exclusive, traditional looks. Based for your festive wear, and this one is beautiful pom-pom design, very colorful also, and this one is jamdani design. Base is pure Resham only, 350 gram weights. This one is border, and I will suggest this bouquet stripes pattern with beautiful buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. Very traditional also. Also, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure organza with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, beautiful base part and contrast color border and pallu, and this one, full base part. This one is border portion, contrast color dye border with beautiful golden zari Banarasi weaving border design, and this one, full base part, pure premium quality organza base with contrast color border, dye border with beautiful golden zari weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border. This one is pallu and fine stripes pattern, and this one border portion, bottom border, beautiful elegant looks. This one is heavy weaving design, contrast color dye with heavy weaving design border. Very exclusive one. Base is pure organza with contrast color dye border with golden zari heavy weaving Banarasi weaving border design. Very elegant, smart look, soft, lightweight, pure organza. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. Very exclusive one. This one is fine weaving border design. Very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure Resham Dupian with fine weaving design, base part and full base is heavy work, pure Resham by Dupian silk with golden zari weaving design border and full base part. Very soft, comfortable one. This one, border portion, fine golden zari weaving design border, and this one is full base part, pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful fine weaving golden zari weaving design, heavy buta work, full base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design pallu. very exclusive one, fully golden zari weaving. Base is maroon base, maroon red, and heavy weaving work, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, and this one is fine weaving border design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, pure one, pure Resham Dupian silk with heavy weaving work, based for your festive wear. Outstanding bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving, small weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant, bright looks. Very gorgeous also. And this one also, same material, beautiful color combinations, very soft silver color, peach shade, light peach shade with beautiful fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design, buta, full base, very trendy, smart looks, pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful fine golden zari weaving Banarasi border. And this one, full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, and base is pure Resham by Dupian silk, very exclusive one, smart, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari fine weaving design, Banarasi work pallu. And this one is full base part, very elegant, smart looks, beautiful color combinations, very soft, lightweight, comfortable also. This one is beautiful weaving, fine weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base, beautiful buta work. And this one is running blouse piece, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also, same material, different color combinations, very beautiful color with fine hand weaving golden zari buta, heavy buta. And this one, same material, pure Resham by Dupian silk with fine weaving golden zari Banarasi border. This one is fine weaving design Banarasi border, and this one, full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, full base part, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight also. This one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design Banarasi weaving design pallu. And this one is full base, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, very beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base, pure Resham by Dupian silk with heavy weaving buta work. This one is border, and this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful party looks, festive looks, very nice one. So, same material, beautiful color combinations, very nice and beautiful work also, pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful weaving design border and full base part also. This one, full base part, very smart, elegant looks, fine golden zari weaving design border. And this one, full base part, pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful fine weaving design, full base part, peach shade, very exclusive, elegant looks. This one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari weaving design pallu, very smart, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one, border portions, beautiful golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border. And this one, full base part, pure Dupian Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful weaving design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, exclusive looks. This one also, very nice color combinations, very exclusive one. Let me open, pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful contrast color weaving design buta and border portion also. This one is fine weaving design Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful contrast color weaving design buta work. Base is pure Resham by Dupian silk with beautiful buta design. And this one is pallu, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design pallu, very nice one, smart trendy look, soft lightweight comfortable pure resham by Dupian silk with beautiful weaving buta design. Very exclusive one, smart bright gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. Very trendy one, heavy work, full piece part is work. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari, heavy weaving Banarasi buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. Outstanding also. This one also, same material, beautiful color combinations, pure resham by Dupian silk with golden zari, fine weaving design, Banarasi border, and full piece part is beautiful, small weaving, small buta design, weaving design. This one is, golden zari, fine weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, fine buta work, very exclusive, smart looks, beautiful color combinations also, soft lightweight pure resham by Dupian silk with beautiful Banarasi weaving design. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Banarasi weaving pallu design, and this one is full base part, very soft comfortable one, pure resham by Dupian silk. Very elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. Beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one also, bright, beautiful color combinations. Georgette with weaving work, contrast color dye border. This one, full base part. This one is full base part and this one is contrast color dye with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, and this one is full base, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving design, very soft lightweight also. This one is full base part, Georgette with weaving design, very exclusive one, same material today I have draped. This one is contrast color border and this one is full base part. Exclusive, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving golden zari, weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant looks. And this one also, a beautiful bright color combination, same material, Georgette with Banarasi work. It is nice one, contrast color dye border and pallu, very bright color combinations, base for your festive wear, gorgeous looks. This one, full base part, this one is border portion, contrast color dye border, orange shade with beautiful golden zari weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy weaving design, pallu base is Georgette with contrast color border and pallu, and this one is full base part, same material today I have draped, different color, different work only, and this one is beautiful color combination, very elegant, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material with the heavy buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Outstanding also. So, very beautiful bright color combinations, very nice one, same material Georgette with the beautiful weaving Banarasi weaving work. This one full base part, this one is border portions, beautiful weaving design, contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, and this one full base part, black base, red contrast dye border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear. This one pallu in beautiful fine weaving design pallu, and this one is full base, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, trendy, smart, bright looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, also bright looks, gorgeous, also Georgette Banarosi contrast color dye border. Base is bright orange with heavy work, and this one is border portion contrast color dye border with beautiful fine weaving Banarosi design, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta work, and this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy contrast color dye pallu with heavy weaving design. Pallu work very nice one, smart looks, bright also, same material today I have draped. This one is full base part, smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base, this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. Also, you know, very beautiful, elegant, bright looks, pure organza with fine weaving design, Banarosi border, and full base part is beautiful checks design, very nice one, trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one, you know, full base part fine. This one is fine weaving design, Banarosi border, and this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful fine golden zari checks, pure organza, and this one is Banarosi weaving border, organza Banarosi with the checks pattern base. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is beautiful fine weaving border design, very elegant looks. This one is fine weaving golden zari weaving border, pure organza checks with Banarosi weaving border design, very elegant, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this golden base heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy, smart, bright looks, best for your festive wear. Pure organza with Banarosi border. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful saree, beautiful sober color combinations, and base is Georgette and contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarosi weaving border design, and full base part is beautiful butta design also. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving design, Banarosi weaving design pallu, very soft, comfortable one, Georgette base. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Happy festival. Enjoy your festival with Rice Fashion sarees only. Thank you so much.